Friends, welcome to my channel VENUSTECHPULSE. In the previous class, in the previous video, we have already discussed control statement of Python language. We have already discussed control statement of control flow in Python language. Now, today's class is on iterative statement. Today's class is on iterative statement. If we want to execute a group of statement multiple times, then we should go for the iterative statement. Python supports two types of iterative statements. Number one, for loop. Number two, while loop. These two are the loops or iterative statements that are supported by Python. So in the for loop, what should we learn? That if we want to execute some action for every element present in some sequence, then we should go for loop. What is the syntax of the for loop? For x in sequence, and body of the loop will be executed after that. So where sequence can be string or any collection, body will be executed for every element present in the sequence. Suppose, take an example to print character present in given string. Suppose n, where we have declared the character Sachin Tendulkar. For x in n, print x. So output will be S A C H I N T E N T U L K A R, like this one, Sachin Tendulkar. For every sequence there is a print. So we have to use for loop for this. Next, wrap to print character present in a string index y. Index y. S is equal to input, enter the string, I is equal to 0. Then we have to write for x in S, which is a sequence. Suppose S is a sequence and S is the input taken by the user. Print the character present at I means the position, that index position, and the index is mentioned there, and that is x. Okay, and at the last we have to print I is equal to I plus 1. So I have entered the string Sam Das. The character present at 0 index is S. In x we have print S, and in I position the index number. The character present in 1 index is A. The character present at 2 index is M. The character present at 3 index is nothing, because there is a blank space. The character present at 4 index is D. The character present at 5 index is A. The character present at 6 index is S. This is how we can print the index using for loop. Okay. The next is wrap to print hello 10 times. For x in range 10, print hello. Wrap to print number from 0 to 10. For x in range 11, semicolon, colon. In Python we have to use colon after each for statement. Wrap to display odd numbers from 0 to 20. For x in range 21, if x mod 2 not is equal to 0, then print x. Wrap to display number from 10 to 1 in descending order. For x in range 10, 0, -1, print x. And suppose wrap to print sum of number present in inside list. Suppose inside any list there are number present, you have to print it. List is equal to eval input, enter the list, sum is equal to 0. For x in list, sum is equal to sum plus x. That means the number present in the list will be sum, means 10 plus 20 plus 30, 10 first 0 plus 10 10, 10 plus 20 30, 30 plus 30 60, like this way. Suppose the list is 10 20 30 40, the sum is 100. That means first here 0 plus 10, the 0 can come here at the sum and the 10 will come in the x. So 0 plus 10 10, and next the amount is 20, next the value is 20, 10 plus 20 is 30, that will be put in sum. Then 30, then again 30 will come to the x, then 30 plus 30 60, then at last there is a 40, 30 plus 30 60, and 60 plus 40 100. So 100 is printed. Suppose the list is like this way, 45 and 67, the sum is 1 1 2, the sum is 1 1 2. Okay, good. The next is while loop. If we want to execute a group of statements iteratively until some condition false, then we should use go for while loop. Syntax: while condition body. Suppose I have given an example to learn very easily. We have to print number from 1 to 10 by using while loop. X is equal to 1, while x less than equal to 10, print x, then x is equal to x plus 1. This is the way you can write the numbers from 1 to 10 by using while loop. Okay, now we have to display the sum of first n numbers. The n, take n, where n is equal to int input, enter the number, sum is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, while I less than equal to n, sum is equal to sum plus I is equal to I plus 1. That means I will be incremented one by one and the sum will be also incremented. Sum, why incremented? Means sum is equal to 0 plus first the number, it will add the two number, and with addition value is stored in the sum, and I will be incremented, then the sum value and the next I will be added, and the added value will be stored in the sum. This way printed the sum of first n number is sum. Today I will give you for loop and while loop description, syntax along with their example, and this process will continue further in my next video. So for today, friends, this is all. Please like my channel, subscribe my channel, share my channel, and if you have any comment, please mention it in the comment section. And if you want to know more about control flow, then you can go to the I button, click on the I button link, and you will get my other videos on Python. Thank you.